Hello, my name is Brenda, and this is my family.
My name is Eric, and I come to present my kids by yourself. Come on.
My name is Angel, and I'm 16.
My name is
6.
Oh my God, Rebecca!
So obviously we're a big family and sometimes we can be a handful, but a couple weeks back we got a project done all together and we became Weekend Warriors!
Yeah, baby, I'm a ride or die. 2 seats, keep it super tight.
Right here. And right here.
Wow.
What do you think? You like it?
You guys, it looks so good.
My name is Eric. Right now, me already. See a rat in there.
You see a rat in there?
Oh,
It's a rat.
oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Okay, well, stick it back in there. I wanted to see Brenda's reaction. I knew it was dead.
Oh.
Brenda, I did the same thing this morning when I opened the cabinet.
I remember the first time when I met Rebecca, she really impressed me. I like how she do everything like perfect, and every design that she has, they can touch me obviously. But I've been having the obsessed, like my kids say, the design. I think I had it in my blood. I'm not sure, but I like the design. And the first time that I started working with Rebecca, I coming home and I want to like redecorate everything.
Yep, she always liked decorations.
I used to have a blue color in the walls and white, I think. The dressers, it was too much.
The look before was a little bit more like bland and it wasn't anything like crazy simple, but at the same time it definitely could have used an upgrade.
I come one time at my house, at my bedroom, and I say, Eric, let's decorate that room. And he say, no, Brenda, please, no. Every time that you go into Rebecca, you want to do something in your house. And I say, come, please, look. I show the picture, and I want to show, I want to redecorate the wall, obviously, so they can be like different.
Well, I was like, are you sure you want to do black? I was like, come on.
He say, Brenda, black, the wall? No.
At first, my mom showed us the photos of what she wanted her room to look like. And I saw the black, and at first I didn't really think it would have looked good until I saw them start working on it, and then she proved me wrong. It looked amazing.
Along those lines of, creating an accent wall and then having the walls around it, what I really appreciate is, some of the feedback we got on the Weekend Warrior was, I love this room like a luxe state of mind, for example, which is very similar to what you picked, but I don't like purple. You didn't let that stop you. The whole idea of the course is to give you the principles and then do your thing from that, and that's exactly what you did. Hey, I thought you just painted the wall black. You actually did molding on it too?
Yeah.
Did you add that?
Yeah.
That wasn't there before?
Nope.
Whose idea was that?
Well, it was his.
It's
It was his.
The wood around the wall. It took me a time because I had to paint the wood 2 or 3 times to make sure that covered the oval color and make sure that all black in the wall looked really good, perfect.
You're saying that you painted the wall, painted the wood, then you caulked it so
Yes.
there's no spacing.
No spacing, yes.
And then you did a final coat.
Final coat, yes.
How long did it take you to do that?
Well, we started like at noon, like we talking about. We started at noon, and we finished 2 or 3 o'clock at night.
Wow, that's impressive. And then the next day you did the floor.
Yeah.
I remember the first time I tell him, let's go walking to Lowe's. Every time that I say, let's go walk, I got something in my mind, and he know that.
When we go to the store, I'm scared. I'm afraid.
I was walking in the area of floors, and I see the big sign, clearance. So I tell Eric, and I say, why we don't do the floors too? And he said, are you crazy, Brenda? No.
When this project first took place, I was actually in Dallas for the Monsters Supercross races, the dirt bike races, and I got a FaceTime call, and it was from my mom. I answered thinking that she just wanted to check up. She shows me her bedroom, and it's completely stripped. There's nothing in there, and I was like, Mom, I left you alone for 2 days. Like, what are you doing? And she then went on to explain the project that she had in mind and what she was doing, and then showed Eric. There they go. And I know that whenever they're set their mind to do something in the house, whether it be paint our kitchen or remodel my mom's room, they're gonna get it done quick.
I say, first off, I think you picked a good floor. Typically, I would say
It was cheap, that's why.
make, well, good for you. Honestly, you're being smart, but typically I would say try to match the floor that's already existing.
We're gonna replace it.
There you go. But if
They're
if you
old, though.
picked something that you could move your way in, and now I understand that you did the girls' room, you added, you took the carpet out of. Okay, isn't it nice just to not have carpet in here?
Oh, yeah, so much.
It's just a cleaner, less heavy feel. But you've got a nice little area rug here. That's really awesome, and it brings all your colors in.
Yeah.
So I'm just saying, you know a thing or two about this decorating
Well,
thing.
she learned from somebody, I know.
She learned
It's
it
not
from
me.
somebody. Did you help your parents out at all with the room?
Nope. They just stand there, work, and I'll just watching them.
So you picked green for your walls. Then you brought the green back in on your pillows. You've got gray, which is a
Like
derivative
curtains.
of black. And then you've got some bronze in here with the grays and the greens in it too. And then, of course, having, this is beautiful bedding, by the way. This white, like a ticking, that's gorgeous.
The weekend my parents decided to remodel the bedroom. I was here helping Eric take out nails, take out the trash, whatever he needed help with, taking out the tiles and putting in the new tiles with it.
I'd say working with the family is way better than doing solo. I mean, it goes by faster, it speeds up the process, and I mean, when we work together, it's always better.
I love the fact that you have oversized lamps. You need oversized lamps because you have an oversized headboard. So that's what balanced it. And you've got great nightstands. The biggest mistake that I see people do in their bedrooms is get nightstands that don't match, number one, or if they do match, they're too small. I always see smaller nightstands. Then, on top of that, people often put two different lamps on their nightstands, or they put lamps that are too small. Now, in a perfect world, I would say, can we get rid of all this furniture because it's so big and it takes up so much room? I would try to find a tall white, I'd stick with the white, high boy that's like this high. And it has lots of drawers which would replace what's in there. If I were you, I would put a mirror on that wall, a beautiful mirror that is long and tall, and then I would put a small vanity, not as big as this. This is too much.
Yeah.
Anyway, if you put this over here, let me tell you what it's gonna do. Come over here, I'm gonna show you. Those of you who are watching, do you see what I see?
Oh,
Natural light
natural light.
coming in on you
Because
at
the window.
your smaller vanity and your mirror right next to it.
Good idea.
I'm full of them. Has this got the stock market on there?
No,
You guys are fancy.
no, it's not. It's the
What the heck?
It's a
clock time, the
Bluetooth.
temperature that you can go.
You go like this and it gives you your blood pressure. Oh, look, mine is out.
The room right now, how it turned out is amazing. I like the color. I feel like it matches my mom's personality because before it was kind of simple, but now it has more color and the plants even adding onto it is amazing. And I feel like it just matches my mom's personality because she's a very colorful person.
Before this night is over, I will guide you.
Rebecca talked to my wife and tell her we can do it in 2 days. That was a surprise to me. I cannot do it in 2 days. But everybody pitched in, and we did it in 2 days. Thank you, Rebecca. I like it. We love it. I did it in 2 days. Of course, with my family help. We are warriors, and we do like a family.
I thought it'd be like 3 days at least, but they got it done in 2 days, and that's pretty impressive.
I mean, the fact that you did this in one weekend, you are you're the poster children for weekend warriors. Now, not everybody has a husband who's also can do building and carpentry and rip up a floor, but it's not that hard to do. You did a lot of it yourself.
Yep, she did.
One other thing is, I believe you forgot to mention someone that helped you. Boy, was this ever a family thing, because who came over and helped you?
My brother.
Your brother-in-law.
Yeah.
That's right.
Yeah.
What's his name?
His name is Shui.
Shui?
Jesus.
His name is Jesus?
Jesus.
We could all use some help from Jesus.
I love my mom. She's very hardworking. Ever since I was born, she's been hardworking for this family, and everything that she tries to do, she'll always complete. She's very blessed, and I want to be just like her when I grow up.
She's never satisfied with what life has for her, her circumstance. She always is looking for the next thing to take over, the next thing to accomplish, and I admire that so much. And I've seen her go from nothing to have not everything, but more than what she had, and continue to work from the bottom all the way to where she is now. And I know and believe that there is so much more that she's gonna do and accomplish, and I'm just ready to be alongside her the whole trip. And yeah, no, she just means the world to me.
I'm so proud of you.
Thank you.
You did such a great job.
Thank you.
Well,
I had it before.
The next prize will be a bathroom and Pablo's room.
Oh, that's right. They want to do the bathroom.
She want to change everything. Now she want to add it, the bathrooms. I know. Guess who's going to do the work? Me.
All right, you guys, I'm going to take off.
Okay.
I love you. And I will be back to film your new bathroom.
Yep.
Remember, you got 48 hours to meet this challenge.
Warrior.
But are you nervous with the camera on you?
No, not pretty much.
You're pretty cool.
Like that. My dad is really nervous, like.
Now, when it's time to go to bed with Eric, obviously. Ooh la la.
All right, well, that's a wrap.
That's good.